Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. It's Teresa back with another video.
Let me show you something.
All right, so today I'm going to be talking about things that I've been working on, things that I've made since the last video, I guess. The last video was my giveaway winners. I have 4 wonderful winners. They all contacted me and they all received their prize. So thank you all for participating, and we'll be doing more of these giveaways. So I'm just so grateful for all my subscribers. So I just wanted to say thank you, and that was my way. So doing a giveaway. So what I've done is I have just been going crazy crocheting lately because I love crochet and I crave crochet. So I'll show you some of the things that I made. I made some washcloths, some dishcloths. I guess you could use them in the bathroom too if you wanted to as a washcloth. So this is just cotton yarn, and I decided just to do a granny square with that one. Oh, I actually have another one that I left downstairs. It was another granny square, so, but it was different colors. So this is so pretty. I love the colors, very fallish. And then I did this one. This is another granny square, all cotton yarn, and I just love the colors. It's all cotton, and it was just all yarn that I had left over, like little bits and pieces of it, and I just thought, let me make it really colorful with all these pretty colors. And yeah, granny square is so fun to do. I love it. So yeah, that's another one. And then this one was one that I started this like a long time ago, and it's and I just kind of left it. I never finished it. I don't know why. You know, there's always times when we get into projects and then you want to do something else, so you kind of forget. And I found this one in my yarn stash, so I thought, let me finish this off and I can make this as a really nice dishcloth. And it's the what do you call it again? Like a gingham pattern. Yeah, so you're just using 2 different shades of blue throughout and a white. So the white is on every single row, and then you just, it's pretty easy. If anyone wants to see a tutorial on any of these things that I'm going to show you, let me know, because I love doing tutorials. And if you're going to be making any of these, I would love it if you would post them on my Facebook group, which is called Craving Crochet, and I'll leave the link in the description. So now, here's another cool thing that I did. I had this top. I'll show you a picture of the before right here. Okay, so that was the before. Okay, so it looked like a friggin' mess, right? Like a tutu. It's a top. So what I did was I cut the bottom part of that tutu poofy part. I took that right off. I cut it off. And then this is what I got. It's a shorter version of it. And I love the sleeves. So what I did was I crocheted. What did I do here? I did shell stitch with this variegated yarn all along here and along the other sleeve. So like there's so many possibilities with crochet. This was like a lace that was already in this shirt, and it's got holes, so you can easily just crochet in the holes, right? And then I did the same on the bottom, all the way along the bottom. It has this lace, holy lace, and hopefully you can see it okay. And I just crocheted along the whole bottom, and I got rid of that poofy, ugly poofy thing, so I can wear this top now. And I can tell people, hey, I embellished it with crochet. Isn't it beautiful? I'm so proud of this. So yeah, there's lots of possibilities with crochet. You don't have to make complete items. You can just embellish your clothes. So I love this one. This is gorgeous. Can't wait to wear it. Okay, I'm wearing a hat that I just made. Isn't it cute? Look at it. I got to show it to you. It's all baubles on the top. Bauble stitch. Get the sun partially coming through my window here. So it's all baubles. So I made the base like a bauble pattern, and it kept increasing. I can also do a tutorial on this. I just need to know if people are interested, because I'm not going to do it if there's no interest in it. So please let me know if you want to see me make one of these. This is really cute. Look how cute it is. And then I just did double crochets to grow it. Isn't it so nice? I love it. And people say to me, that is so cute. Where did you get that hat? Well, I made it. Okay, this is another project that I made. It's a scarf. Hopefully you can see. This is Darla, Crafty Yarn Owl with Darla. She designed this scarf. So I don't know if you can see, there's different stitches that she does. One is more like an open stitch, and then there's double crochet, half double crochet, right? So what I did was I added this border to it, and I'll tell you in a minute why. And this was all part of the pattern, one pattern that she did, which is single crochet, double crochet. And then you skip a stitch, single crochet, double crochet. I did that all the way around, and I love it. I love the combination of the two yarns, right? Because then she also, take that off, she also made a hat to go with it. So in order for it to match, I like this yarn, this red that I picked, and then I didn't have enough of this red to finish the scarf. I didn't have enough yarn. So I thought, okay, I'm going to start it. I did the crown part, and then this is all like her pattern in here. I think part of it is in here as well. I can't remember. And partially part of her pattern is in the red. Yeah. So I just love the combination of the black and the red. And so when I did the scarf, originally it was just black, this black yarn, sparkly yarn. And so I decided just to add this border all the way around so that it matches, and I love it. I think it's so pretty. It's warm. I love it. And if you want to see how she does this, I can leave you a link to, I can actually make a playlist and then just put it in the link to it so you can go to it and do that. So that was that. All right. Then I got on after I did this, I started making hats. I'm like, oh, I want to make hats. They're fun. So what I did was I made this cute little hat for my youngest grandson. And it's got the little ear flaps. And I put this furry yarn to give it that, I don't know, a Daniel Boone type of hat. I don't know what the name of the original design is. So I did this one in blue. Isn't it cute? Got the little ties. And then I made another one for my older grandson, but I did this one in brown and the cream colored fur with the little ties. Isn't it cute? I can't wait to see it on them. And then I had to make another one. So I made one for my husband. Look how big it is. And I made his longer in the back because he said it was too short. So I just I kept putting it on him, measuring it, putting it on him, and I kept saying, is this good enough? Is this big? Yeah, that's fine. And then when I was at the end, he's like, it needs to be a little bit longer in the back. So I just added more fur to the back. And I put the ties as well. This is really, really warm. Isn't it cute? So let me know if you're anybody's interested, because I will do tutorials if you are. Isn't it cute? I love it. So that's what I've been up to lately. I also have some yarn hauls. I got to do that in a separate video because I bought a lot of yarn. Yeah, so that's what I've been up to lately. And that's all I can show you for now because that's all I've done.
tassel. If you can see it. And it's kind of soft. It's not as soft. I think the Lion Brand may have been softer, but they didn't have any. This was the only one I could find. Bernat. It's Yarn Inspirations Bernat Premium. 97% acrylic, 3% metallic, black sparkles. It's got a bit of a sparkle in it. It looks really nice.
But I have a tutorial coming out for a lady's top. I can't show you because I want to save it for the tutorial. I'm still working on it. You know, doing tutorials is very, very time intensive, and there's a lot of editing that needs to take place. So when I make tutorials and people watch them and make things, it really touches me. So yeah, any kind of tutorials that you see on my channel, I would love it if you would like them and you want to try them, to do them, and then please post your pictures on my Facebook group or even on your own Facebook and share it with me. I would really, really appreciate that so much, because I put a lot of time and effort and thought into all the tutorials that I do. So I really appreciate you all doing that for me. I would love it. So anyways, this is the end of my video, and if you're new here, please subscribe to Craving Crochet. If you comment this content, and leave me a comment if you like, and share the video if you want to share it with your friends. I would really appreciate it. So thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Let me show you something.